naman ha.
Opo.
Then I shouldn't look. You shouldn't video, Dolly. Because the thing is, we will see.
It's okay, I'm gonna tell you if I'm already on that part, I'm gonna
Okay.
tell you not to look.
Okay. I'm gonna stop the video.
Okay.
So that means I can look now.
Yes, yes.
Okay, good. I will.
Yes, you can. So here's the baby. This is the head of the baby, this one. This is the brain. That's the baby. On side view. That's the heart. That one.
Mhm.
Okay, that's the foot. These are the legs.
So now we shouldn't see anymore.
It's okay.
Okay.
Maybe when I'm near on the butt,
Oh,
I'm
okay.
gonna tell you. But accidents may also happen. I might not be able to tell you fast. Anyway, okay. So yung head niya, ma'am, nandito pa sa taas. Dito siya. So the head is up here.
Head is there?
Yeah, up
Okay.
here. Up here. It's not yet below here, but it's okay. The baby's still gonna move. So this the eye.
Okay.
Both eyes. And the arms are like that.
So it's all
In
there.
front, yes. Yes, and this the fingers. So the baby looks growing normally. It has 2 limbs. Okay. Then the brain looks okay. Looks normal.
It's consistent with the 20 weeks, yeah.
I'm still gonna calculate.
Yeah.
But it looks.
It looks, yeah.
It looks big. I mean, it looks okay.
It's okay,
For
yeah.
the, yeah. I'm still gonna measure. And it's moving a lot, so that's
Is it?
good.
Hmm?
So for the head, it's 21 to 20 weeks. It's okay. Then here's the heart. The heartbeat is 160, so it's normal.
160.
Yes.
Okay.
120 to 160 is the normal.
Oh, it's no, okay.
Yeah. Still within the normal range. I think you shouldn't look right now.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Ito, ang medyo ng fish. Pero ito yung baba. Dito yung mata. Ito, mata.
Yung nose.
Ito nose. Ito. Yung tip ng nose. Tapos ito yung fingers. Yung mouth. Sige, try natin ah. Maganda-ganda. Pero yan yung mata niya. That's the eyes. Teka. And then, there's the mouth. There, that one. That one, that's the lip. The nose, the lips. If you could appreciate it. Yung tip ng lips. Ayan. Para ma-check lahat ng organs. So, 388 grams weight. And by ultrasound aging, the baby is 20 weeks and 6 days. So, it's okay.
So
The baby-
it's a little bit okay. The
Yes.
numbers there, okay?
Yes, yes. The baby's growth is at par with the age.
With par with
It's
the
supposed to be age.
Yes.
Yes. And then the placenta, let's check on the placenta. So all the measurements are okay.
Okay.
All the measurements of the baby are okay. The placenta is up here. This one, posterior to the uterus.
Mhm.
So it's okay, it's normal. Did you have, nag-bleeding ka ba, ma'am? Spotting ka? Yun lang, medyo mababa talaga kasi. However, the edge of the placenta is near the cervix. Wait, sukatin natin. Medyo malapit. Ito yung, this is the urinary bladder, this is the cervix, where the baby will pass if you have normal delivery. The edge of the placenta is quite close. Pero mag-move pa naman ito. So, the placenta is low-lying. But it's okay. The uterus is still gonna grow bigger. So, the placenta would be able to still grow upwards. So, but I have to take note of this and so that your doctor would know. Low-lying placenta.
So how often should we check this out?
At 34 weeks for confirmation. If at 34 weeks the placenta is still below,
Yeah.
so it's called low-lying placenta.
Okay.
So just to inform the doctor that
Okay.
the placenta is below there so that they can watch out for possible bleeding, or during labor the placenta might go first instead of the baby.
Mhm.
So at least they know.
Okay.
But there's nothing that we have to worry about just now.
Yeah.
No, nothing.
Yes,
no.
yes,
Okay. So
yes.
no problem. Right?
Okay, and then the fluid. So the amniotic fluid looks fine. I'm just gonna measure how much. What's the volume? So we're okay now. We're gonna